Hello and welcome to the channel. This video will help you install the Oracle Database 21C Express Edition. Just follow me step by step and do whatever I ask you to do so that you will be able to install this software successfully. I have some prerequisites that you should, do first before you go ahead with the download and the installation. If you have any instance of Express Edition in your machine, you will not be able to install this software successfully. So you should go ahead and delete any instance of Express Edition in your machine. I already have a video on how to in the description box. Go ahead, get that link, watch the video on how to delete any instance of XE on your computer. Once you are done with that, you can now go ahead and download and install this software. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into this video. But if you have any instance and decide to go ahead to download and install this software, you will encounter this issue. There is an already existing Oracle Database Express Edition service in this machine. You will encounter that because you maybe forgot or did not delete any instance of Express Edition in your machine. So first of all, go to the description button and get the link and watch the video on how you can delete any instance of XE in your machine. So let's go ahead and download and install this software. I'm using my Microsoft Windows 10 operating system for this tutorial. So let's go and get Oracle. So navigate to oracle.com/xe. You must have an account in order to download any software from Oracle. So go create an account. Once you're in, go straight to resources. Click on resources. Once you click on resources, that will take you to this page. Go for software downloads. Then scroll down and go for under database. Go for Database Express Edition. Click on that, and that will take you to this page. So in my own case, I have Microsoft Windows 10, Windows x64. That is what I have. If you have Linux, you go for Linux. So since I have Windows x64, let me go for Windows x64. Click to download. The download has started, so let's wait for the download to finish before we can proceed to the installation. It will take a while. So as we wait for the download to finish, I kindly implore you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. You will see that red subscribe button. Click on it. Beside it, you will see a notification bell. Click on that notification bell as well and click on all, so that whenever I upload any video, you will be notified to come check it out. So let's keep on waiting for the download to finish. So as you can see, the download is complete. Let's click on this arrow and go for show in folder. We go ahead and right click on that. I will right click on this zip file and cut. Let me go for this PC, then local disk, and then let me paste that here. You will need to provide administrator permission to move this. Yes, continue. Here we go. So let's go and right click on the zip file and go for extract to Oracle XE213. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Click on yes. Here is the Oracle XE213. So go for the set. So let's go for the setup. Right click on that setup.exe. Then go run as administrator. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. The installation has started. So once you are here, go for next, then accept the terms and go for next again. Then if you have an instance of XE, you will definitely fail this part, pre-existing Oracle database Express Edition service. But you see, we passed everything, and then go for next and then start the installation. Next. So here you have to create a password of your choice for SYS system and PDB admin account. I will go ahead and create my password and confirm, and click on next and then install. The installation will take approximately 30 minutes or less, so you have to be patient for the installation to finish. Oracle database installed successfully. So here you can go for SQL Plus. Depends on what you want to do. And then my password that I just created. See, the connection is successful. So that is it for this. Thank you and God bless.